Before pineapple juice ever reaches a store shelf, it goes through a meticulously engineered production system, where every step is optimized for precision and speed. Inside this main hall, thousands of cans move through automated lines that operate with near-perfect synchronization, filling, sealing, and inspecting each unit in a matter of seconds. The machines here work around the clock, guided by sensors, robotics, and laser-accurate measurements that ensure consistency in every batch. Human involvement is minimal. Operators simply oversee the process, while advanced systems handle the heavy lifting. This is where the journey of each can begins, in one of the most efficient beverage production environments in the world. Long before the pineapples arrive at the factory, their journey begins under the tropical sun, growing in vast fields that stretch for miles. Each fruit takes more than a year to reach perfect sweetness. And despite all the technology in modern agriculture, harvesting still relies on skilled workers who can judge ripeness at a glance. The farms operate with a delicate balance of tradition and efficiency, using drones to survey crop health, while experienced hands perform the careful cutting and selection. Every pineapple chosen for juice must meet strict size, color, and maturity standards, ensuring only the best fruit enters the production line. It's here, among the long rows of spiky crowns and rich volcanic soil, that the story of every can truly begins. Once the pineapples arrive from the fields, the factory begins its first and most crucial stage of processing: cleaning and inspection. Because the fruit grows close to the ground, each pineapple arrives covered with soil, dust, and tiny plant fibers that must be removed with absolute precision. Automated systems take over here, lifting, washing, and rotating each pineapple through multiple stages of high-pressure sprays and rotating brush modules. Optical scanners then evaluate every fruit, detecting imperfections invisible to the human eye and sorting them instantly. Only pineapples that pass this rigorous test continue forward, entering the heart of the production line, where the transformation into juice begins. Once the pineapples are cleaned and approved, they enter one of the most fascinating parts of the entire production line: precision peeling and coring. Here, advanced machinery takes over, performing in seconds what would normally take a person several minutes. Cylindrical cutters, rotating blades, and mechanical arms work together to remove only the inedible layers while preserving as much fresh fruit as possible. The process must be incredibly accurate. Too much pressure wastes valuable fruit, while too little leaves behind tough skin or fiber. By the time each pineapple leaves this section, it has been transformed into a perfectly peeled golden cylinder ready for cutting and juicing. After peeling and coring, the pineapples move into the heart of the juice-making process, where the fruit is transformed from solid golden cylinders into pure, vibrant liquid. Precision cutting blades reduce each pineapple into evenly sized pieces, ensuring consistent extraction during pressing. The pulp then travels through powerful screw presses that use controlled pressure to gently squeeze out every drop of juice while maintaining the fruit's natural sweetness and aroma. Advanced separators filter out fibers and remaining solids, leaving a smooth, clean juice ready for further processing. By the end of this stage, the pineapples have become a rich, flowing stream of pure, tropical flavor. Once the juice is extracted, it enters the crucial stage of pasteurization, a carefully controlled process that ensures safety without sacrificing flavor. The juice is rapidly heated to eliminate bacteria and enzymes, then just as quickly cooled to lock in its natural freshness and bright tropical aroma. Complex networks of pipes, heaters, and cooling towers work in perfect synchronization to maintain the ideal temperature curve. Technicians constantly monitor sensors and digital panels, ensuring that every drop meets strict quality standards. By the time the juice leaves this section, it is both purified and stabilized, ready to be filled into sterile containers. Once the juice is fully pasteurized, it enters one of the most technologically advanced stages of the factory, the filling and packaging line. Here, robotic systems work with incredible speed and accuracy, dispensing precise amounts of juice into sterile containers without wasting a single drop. Every can is sealed, inspected, and verified through a sequence of automated checks designed to ensure perfect quality. Packaging units then group the cans, wrap them for transport, and prepare them for palletizing with almost no human intervention. This part of the process is a seamless ballet of machinery, working in perfect synchronization, moving thousands of units every hour. Once the cans are sealed and palletized, they enter the final phase of their journey inside the factory, the logistics and distribution stage. Here, forklifts transport stacked pallets into vast, temperature-controlled warehouses designed to preserve freshness before shipment. Each pallet is scanned, logged, and assigned a specific route, ensuring efficient tracking from the factory to retailers across the world. Loading bays operate with remarkable precision as refrigerated trucks are filled with carefully wrapped pallets. From this point forward, the factory hands responsibility to the global supply chain, carrying the juice from tropical farms to homes, stores, and tables everywhere.